How to fix Facebook, something went wrong on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook, something went wrong on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then apps again. Now just click on Facebook and then go to storage, clear cache, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just go back here to storage and click clear data and try again, and now your problem will be fixed. And it's easy, just clear data and it will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.